Guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, today's video is like very hot, tempting, exciting. As the title says, I'm going to be talking about 15 products under rupees 500. मतलब कुछ products तो 200-300 रुपए के भी हैं, but still कैटेगरी 500 रुपए वाली है, तो let's be very clear on that. Now, ये वाले ऐसे products हैं, they work amazing, plus they are under budget. और ये जो combo है ना, ये बहुत rare मिलता है, right? And lately I've been getting quite a lot of requests, DMs, comments. What are you using? What are you eating? What are you applying on your hair? What are you washing your face with? So in no particular order, like I have covered everything. Beauty, hair care, skin care, makeup, and यहाँ पे lifestyle stuff भी होने वाला है. So yeah, I mean, let's quickly get started because this topic is really, really, really amazing, and ये definitely बहुत ज़्यादा helpful होने वाला है. And this is something coming from me after trying and testing these products for almost start from 2 to 3 months to almost 3-4 साल तक. So you know कि ये almost trustworthy products हैं जिनको आप भी चेकआउट जरूर कर सकते हैं. So I will be linking everything down in the description box below. Make sure to check everything out. And now without any further ado, let's quickly get started. So I'm starting with something you were not expecting. मैं बात करने वाली हूँ ये Colgate Visible White Purple. ठीक है, तो मैंने ये क्वाइट रिसेंटली, एक्चुअली नहीं, मैंने ये 2-4 महीने हो गए ऑलमोस्ट, डी मार्ट से पिक किया था. एंड आई बॉट नॉट जस्ट वन बट टू, और इसमें भी 2 का आपको सेट मिलता है विच कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 370 रुपीज, विच मीन्स इट्स डेफिनेटली अंडर अ बजट ऑफ 150 to 100 ऑलमोस्ट. नाउ दिस पर्पल वी नो कलर करेक्ट करता है, ठीक है, येलो को कैंसिल आउट करता है और टीथ को और ज्यादा वाइटन करता है, ठीक है. दिस आई हैव बीन यूजिंग अलोंग विद द इलेक्ट्रिक टूथब्रश. सो दिस विद मैनुअल ब्रश आई एम नॉट श्योर कि क्या उसके रिजल्ट्स होंगे, बट इट वर्क्स अमेजिंग ऑलमोस्ट विद इन लाइक अ 4-5 days to a week's टाइम. मुझे बहुत अच्छा एक रिजल्ट देखने को मिल गया था एंड आई वाज रियली इम्प्रेस्ड एंड आई वाज लाइक दिस आई रियली वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव दिस मार्स कैंडी क्रश कैंडिलिशियस लिप बाम इन दी शेड 01 समथिंग समथिंग. इसका नेम तो मुझे नहीं पता, बट आई रिसेंटली गॉट दिस फ्रॉम Amazon I think, and I love the finish of this one on my bare lips. Definitely you can use it as a topper, but the performance, the gloss, the finish, the nourishment that it has, I mean, within this price point it was a must have in this particular list. So I mean, love this. And इसमें और भी कुछ colors हैं जिसको मैं explore कर सकती हूँ. There are multiple shades available in this, so I look forward to trying some more shades. Love this as it is. काफी कुछ टाइम हो गया है इसको लिए हुए, बट बहुत कम टाइम हुआ है इसको यूज करते हुए, बट द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट आई एम टोटली फैन. आई गॉट दिस फ्रॉम Amazon. ये ऑयल एप्लीकेटर है बेसिकली, एंड दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक, वेरी टाइनी छोटू सा, बट द मोमेंट यू प्रेस दिस आपको ना इस तरीके से ऑयल मिलेगा, समझ रहे हो. सो जस्ट हैव टू ड्रैग द प्रोडक्ट समथिंग लाइक दिस, और आपके ना ब्लड सर्कुलेशन ऐसे एक्टिवेट कर देगा ना आपकी स्कैल्प वगैरह को. प्रोडक्ट इन्फ्यूजन, प्रोडक्ट एब्जॉर्प्शन बहुत अमेजिंग होने वाला है, एंड this really makes a difference in your hair oiling process. Is keeping the budget, which is only about 200 rupees. I think it's a must buy when you want to really make the most of your hair care routine and want to feel kind of थोड़ा सा fancy product अगर आपको add करना है, तो I think this is something really really good. As already mentioned, toners are having their moment, and jab everybody is talking about Tony Moly ka mochi toner, I still want to talk about this product right here, which is Plum Rice Water Niacinamide Toner. I think this was super hyped for a reason. I can see the visible difference on my skin. Not just this, but there are other products combination also which has been working really well on my skin. I have seen immense, like, you know, that kind of difference on my skin, which is like good, healthy, quality skin and all of it. So really credit goes to this one also, like 10-15%. Almost 420 rupees is what the MRP is, but आपको definitely sale वगैरह पे try to get your hands on this. This is very light and it has like rice water, we know, like Koreans obsession. में niacinamide भी है, which also works on your acne and acne marks, something or that sorts. Amazing stuff. Okay, if there is one makeup brush which I would recommend you guys, it has to be this one, Mars का F02. This is like a flat top kabuki brush, almost foundation blend कर देता है, but I also use this to blend my concealer and everything. Almost मतलब सब कुछ जो आप कर सकता है ये. Definitely sometimes when you are just traveling and you only have this brush, you can also, you know, use your blush with it. The finish बिल्कुल भी patchy नहीं लगता है, and this cost you only about 200 to something, मतलब कुछ तो इतना ही प्राइस है इसका. आई गॉट इट लॉन्ग बैक. एक्चुअली मेरे पास इसमें इसका पूरा सेट है, उसमें से सिर्फ यही एक मोस्ट यूज ब्रश है जो मैं यूज करती हूँ, अदर देन द आई शेडो ब्रशेस विच आई थिंक आई यूज इट फ्रॉम अदर ब्रांड्स ऑल्सो. तो मुझे इस ब्रांड का तो यही कवर करना था. दिस इज अमेजिंग अमेजिंग अमेजिंग, एंड आई think one should have it. अगर आपको individually मिलता है, I think Nykaa पे मिल जाएगा. I will be linking this also down in the description box below. Bristles are so soft, the quality is dense. I mean, it's just amazing. And look at the product. I mean, it looks so fancy, so chic, so classy on your vanity. Okay, so if you have been following me for almost 6-7 years, you know मैंने Amazon के जो false nails का kit था उसको कितना highlight करा हुआ है मेरी videos में. But at the same time, I also want to talk about this Miss Claire का nail glue, which is just so sticky. It performs like a nail glue. Like, to be honest, there are other nail glues that I have tried, but I really didn't like the performance, unka quality, unka jo bhi hai kuch bhi samajh mein nahi aaya. But this one, hands down, it's my 5th 6th bottle so far. अब मेरे को क्यों जरूरत पड़ती है इसकी बताती हूँ. So basically I get my nails done from outside, ठीक है, gel extensions. उसके बाद में क्या होता है, कभी कभी ना एक nail ऐसे निकल जाता है. So basically उसको stick करने के लिए and to make that long lasting, this is where this comes in the play. I mean, I love this. और बस साथ में सिर्फ एक प्रॉब्लम है, इसका पैकेजिंग को लेके भी देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग, बिकॉज जब ये स्पिल होना लग जाता है ना तो आपसे बिल्कुल प्रोडक्ट खुलेगा नहीं, फिर आपको उसको डिस्ट्रॉय ही करना पड़ेगा. जस्ट कीप इट एकदम सीधा सीधा. उसके बाद में तो ये चल जाएगा आपको ऑलमोस्ट जब तक आप इसको यूज करना चाहते हो. एंड गुड इनफ प्रोडक्ट फॉर अबाउट 150-200 रुपीज का ये कॉस्ट करता है ऑलमोस्ट. लव दिस टू बिट्स. अगर आप फॉल्स नेल का सेट खुद से भी लगाने का अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो ना, या फिर अगर आप जो स्टिक ऑन नेल्स होते हैं उसके लिए भी दिस ग्लू इज जस्ट अमेजिंग. Okay, if there is one face mask that I have to recommend you guys under a budget of 500 rupees, although the MRP is 545, it has to be this one from Foxtail Skin Radiance Face Mask. The color, the way it feels, the way it applies, जो इसके results हैं, I mean, total a game changing product. Like, even on days when your skin is feeling dull, ये इतना ज़्यादा revive कर देता है. Your skin feels so fresh, and it also has kaolin clay, purple, Brazilian purple clay, something of that sort. The color looks beautiful, and I mean, it's just a therapy of using this particular face mask. This is the color, the freshness, जो एक जान मिल जाती है मेरी स्किन को. Totally love this. There is one product for base makeup which I have to recommend you. It has to be this one. Although for the longest I've been a fan of K-Beauty concealers. Not that I didn't have this, but I didn't use this. I'm talking about Daily Life Forever 52 concealer. Like, it's their complete coverage concealer. The coverage is like amazing, and also it feels very light. बिल्कुल भी settle नहीं होता है creases में. Once you just set this and you're good to go. उसके बाद में जो इसका shade है, like, it's total like amazing. Like, how do I say, I don't have to specifically color correct my under eye area in order to just make it look very effortless, और बहुत अच्छे से concealing करता है. It's the perfect amount of coverage which I need on everyday basis for no makeup look. Is just amazing. That too for like under a budget of 500 rupees is just amazing, and I look forward to buy this because I've almost finished using this. There are just some left in this, but वो भी खत्म हो जाएगा जिस स्पीड से मैं इसके पीछे पड़ी हुई हूँ अभी. Okay, so next up I have this hair teasing brush from Amazon. Now इसके black bristles and black something like black body looks really classy and premium, and it sits on your vanity. But उसके अलावा इसकी performance is just so good. Now when I talk about sleek back, oily hair, greasy hair hairstyle, there's nothing comes on your mind other than just sleek buns and pulled back hairstyles, जो कि आजकल quite trendy हैं, and in fact काफी अच्छा भी लगता है. Flyaways को tame कर देता है if you use this. Ever since I've got my hands on this one, definitely मेरे को extra product की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. This itself does that pretty good job, and I think under a budget of 200 rupees, I think nothing more I can expect from a teasing brush like this, and it's so good. इसके भी bristles कभी कभी एक आध निकल जाते हैं तो मुझे इतना दुख होता है as if मेरा hair fall हो रहा हो, but yeah, it is just amazing. एक ही बार अभी इसका निकाल के मैंने नीचे फेंका है, so it just is so good. Okay, so you have seen me talk about Plum Body Lotion का this particular variant, which is like vanilla caramello, but I am finally over that particular fragrance. I'm finally over that particular fragrance, and now I have something else from the same family. I'm talking about Marshmallow Melt Body Lotion from Plum Body Lovin'. Now this is really amazing. I got to try this in during winters. Abhi winters are over, but I'm still obsessed with the fragrance, and I'm using it every single night. Good amount of hydration because अभी यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा windy नहीं है, इतना winter भी नहीं है, इतना ज़्यादा dryness नहीं होता है body पे, but it's a good amount of nourishment, and also the fragrance is to die for. Like something after vanilla, अगर मुझे कुछ समझ में आया है बहुत टाइम में, like in the longest time, it has to be this one. The packaging is good. You get a full size product, almost इतना amazing, quantity आपको मिल जाता है, and the texture is amazing. It's very buttery, it's very smooth, and the fragrance is to die for. I mean, I'm in love with it, and I don't see me getting over this anytime soon. So for sure, I would highly recommend you guys to also try it in case you haven't already. इसका perfume भी है, वो भी बहुत amazing है. Layer करोगे तो just too good. Now this is something I would not say that I'm in totally love with it. There are some good much many good sides of this lip balm. Talking about this Fix Derma Shadow Lip Shield with SPF 50, I really like the part that it's neutral, इसमें कोई color वगैरह नहीं है, plus the hydration is really really nice. It just leaves your lips super glossy and हल्का सा bitter taste है इसका. For that part, only I don't like this. Otherwise, this is such a nice, lovely lip balm, I would say. The finish is nice, the gloss is good, like जो hydration level है इसका, it's just top notch. If you're going out and about, like daytime, lipstick के ऊपर भी आप इसको top कर सकते हो, which is like the amazing idea, and that is why we have this particular product in this list. Under rupees 500. Almost season is changing and थोड़े से shifts हो चुके हैं product, like there is a clear transition between the consistency, thickness, texture and everything. And these are the sunscreen which I've been loving quite a lot. Recently I'm talking about Aqualogica ka ye Glow Plus Dewy, and then there is this Aqualogica ka this pink packaging wala Radiance Plus Glowy. It has watermelon something. And then how can we not talk about this one? Talking about Wishcare ka Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen. This is so good. It's like so runny. You can't believe it's like a sunscreen. But under the UV test, जो कि बहुत सारे लोगों का मैंने देखा था using this one, it covers like anything, like any other sunscreen. So the formula is also good. मेकअप के अंडरनीथ भी बहुत अच्छे से सेटल हो जाता है, एंड इवन दीज टू आर रियली गुड अंडर द बजट ऑफ 500 rupees. So hands down, these three sunscreens, so good. So when you are traveling, when you are not, when you are indoors, when you are outdoor, no matter what, but just use sunscreen. These Urban York pimple patches has been my favorite. Okay, so actually ये मेरा first ही package buy किया हुआ है Amazon से, and it has lasted me for almost over 4 years, and I have to like quite check कि इसको मैं इतने टाइम तक यूज कर सकती हूँ. इनकी कोई एक्सपायरी नहीं होती है, assuming that only I still use them. And whenever I have like पसी वाला पिंपल, like I don't want to get into details, but you know what I'm talking about. So उस चीज को ना बहुत ज्यादा फ्लैटन आउट कर देगा, और जो भी चीज होती है ना उसको अपने आप ले लेता है, एंड देन मॉर्निंग में मैं उसको रिमूव कर लेती हूँ, एंड इट्स द अमेजिंग फीलिंग दैट यू कैन गेट. देयर आर अदर ट्रीटमेंट्स ऑल्सो विच आई ट्राइड, बट नथिंग लाइक इट, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी चीप. पिंपल को फ्लैटन करने का काम है इसका, और बहुत अमेजिंग, लाइक इन्फेक्ट नहीं करता आपकी स्किन को. सो दिस वे इट जस्ट इज सो गुड. ओके, जैसे सेटाफिल के साथ में मुझे फीलिंग आती है ना, लाइक वेरी माइल्ड बट स्टिल क्लेंजिंग, बहुत अच्छे से करता है, बट थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव है, लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट. सेम फीलिंग मुझे इसके साथ में आती है. व्हेनेवर आई सी दिस ना, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ये मेरा ही कुछ है. लाइक इफ देयर आर 10 फेस वॉशेस, डेफिनेटली नॉट माई लाइक सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट कैटेगरी में रख दोगे तो मैं इसको स्पॉट नहीं कर पाऊंगी. बट इफ देयर आर लाइक 5 random face washes, I definitely have to pick this up under the budget. Again, Dermaco has been that brand जिसके साथ मैं continuously काम भी करती हूँ, but there are some of my favorite and I cannot. In fact, मैंने sunscreen में भी आपको recommend नहीं किया, but उसकी sunscreen भी बहुत amazing है. And this face wash, इसमें एक और variant है which is as good as this one. एकदम बहुत mild सा texture है, बिल्कुल भी harsh नहीं है, and the cleansing properties amazing. तो काफी अच्छा है ये वाला भी cleanser, and it comes with this kind of pump packaging. So even better, you don't have to like squeeze and all of this. उसमें आप बिल्कुल नहीं जाते हो. Love this face wash to bits, from affordable side of it, from the budget side of it, from how it performs, कितना squeaky clean बना देता है मेरी skin को, and also because of the pump packaging. And with that, we have almost come to an end of this video, and I'm sorry about the bad lighting because lighting has shifted. I started in daytime, it's almost late evening. So yeah, and I will be listing everything down in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Like, let me know if you guys will be interested in watching like more parts in the series, because मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया इस वीडियो को करने में, because I get to talk about products freely. मेरा opinion होता है उसमें, और मुझे बहुत मजा आता है to talk about something that I've personally been using. So definitely I look forward to do more such videos in the future. Yeah, and with that I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, कब तक जाने की खुद से प्यार करिए. Is there any other category which you want me to explore? Apparels, footwear, anything of that sort, उसको भी mention करिए, और ये भी याद रखिए. Love you all so much.